Most people have no idea that a simple spice sitting in their kitchen cabinet right now can completely transform their health. It's been used for thousands of years by healers across the world, yet modern medicine is only beginning to understand its power. But when you drink it the right way, something incredible happens inside your body. Something that could change the way you feel every single day. What if I told you that this tiny, dark spice could help you wake up with more energy, clearer skin, a calmer stomach, and a stronger immune system? You'd probably think it sounds too good to be true. But stay with me, because what you're about to discover is backed by both ancient wisdom and modern science. That spice is clove. And when you turn it into clove water, you unlock a natural remedy so powerful it's been called liquid gold in traditional healing circles around the world. Clove water is simply dried cloves soaked or boiled in water, releasing their potent oils and compounds into a drink that's easy to make and even easier to consume. It's been used in Ayurvedic medicine, Chinese healing traditions, and folk remedies across continents for centuries. And now, more and more people are rediscovering its benefits. But before we go deeper, I need you to do something. Hit that subscribe button and make sure to stay with me until the very end. Because the last benefit I'm going to share is one most people never hear about, but it can change your health completely. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Let's start from the inside. Imagine waking up every morning feeling light, not bloated. Imagine your stomach feeling calm, settled, at peace. For millions of people, that's a dream. But clove water can make it a reality. You see, cloves contain a compound called eugenol, a natural oil that stimulates the production of digestive enzymes. These enzymes are like tiny workers inside your gut, breaking down food, absorbing nutrients, and keeping everything moving smoothly. When your digestion is sluggish, you feel it everywhere, in your energy, your mood, even your skin. But clove water helps reset that system. It reduces bloating. It eases gas. It even helps with nausea and indigestion. People who drink clove water regularly report feeling lighter after meals, less weighed down, more energized. And here's the beautiful part. It doesn't just mask symptoms. It actually supports your gut flora, the good bacteria that live inside you and keep your entire digestive system in balance. Think about it. One warm cup of clove water in the morning, and your gut starts the day ready to work with you, not against you. Now let's talk about protection. In a world full of stress, pollution, processed foods, and constant exposure to bacteria and viruses, your immune system is working overtime. And sometimes it needs support. Clove water is one of nature's most powerful antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory remedies. That same compound, eugenol, doesn't just help digestion, it fights harmful bacteria, viruses, and even fungi. Studies have shown that clove oil can inhibit the growth of dangerous pathogens, which means drinking clove water regularly may help your body defend itself more effectively. But it's not just about fighting invaders. Clove water also reduces inflammation throughout your body. Chronic inflammation is linked to almost every modern disease, from heart disease to diabetes to autoimmune conditions. When you reduce inflammation, you give your body the chance to heal, to recover, to reset. Imagine your immune system like a shield. Clove water sharpens that shield, making it stronger, more responsive, more resilient. And that means fewer colds, faster recovery, and more vitality. Here's something you might not expect. Clove water is a secret weapon for your mouth. For centuries, cloves have been used to relieve toothaches. In fact, dentists still use clove oil today in certain procedures because of its natural numbing and antibacterial properties. When you drink clove water, you're bathing your mouth in those same healing compounds. It fights the bacteria that cause bad breath. It reduces gum inflammation. It can even help prevent cavities by inhibiting the growth of harmful oral bacteria. Some people use clove water as a natural mouthwash, swishing it around before swallowing. Your mouth is the gateway to your entire body. When your oral health improves, everything else follows. Your confidence, your comfort, even your overall health. And clove water makes it so easy. If you're enjoying this video so far and learning something new, do me a favor. Hit that like button right now and share this with someone who needs this kind of natural healing in their life. It really helps more people discover these hidden health secrets. Let's talk about energy. Not the jittery, crashing kind you get from caffeine and sugar, but the steady, grounded energy that comes from balanced blood sugar. Clove water has been shown in traditional medicine and emerging research to help regulate blood sugar levels. This is especially important for people dealing with insulin resistance, prediabetes, or type 2 diabetes. The compounds in cloves help improve insulin sensitivity, which means your cells can use glucose more effectively instead of letting it build up in your bloodstream. When your blood sugar is stable, you feel it. No more mid-afternoon crashes. No more brain fog. No more sudden cravings that hijack your willpower. Just calm, consistent energy throughout the day. And the beauty of clove water is that it's gentle. It's not a harsh stimulant or a synthetic supplement. It's just nature, doing what it does best, bringing your body back into balance. Now, let's go even deeper. Your liver is one of the most hardworking organs in your body. Every toxin you encounter, from the air you breathe to the food you eat, passes through your liver. It filters, it cleanses, it protects you. But sometimes it gets overwhelmed. Clove water is rich in antioxidants, which help neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress on your liver. This means your liver can do its job more efficiently, detoxifying your blood and keeping your entire system clean. And here's where it gets visible. When your liver is healthy, your skin glows. People who drink clove water regularly often notice clearer skin, fewer breakouts, a more even tone. That's because your skin is a reflection of what's happening inside. When your body is detoxing properly, it shows on the outside. Imagine looking in the mirror and seeing a brighter, healthier version of yourself, all because you gave your body the tools it needed to cleanse and heal naturally. Now, as powerful as clove water is, it's important to use it wisely. Like any natural remedy, it's not for everyone. If you're pregnant or breastfeeding, it's best to avoid clove water, as it can stimulate the uterus. If you have ulcers or a sensitive stomach lining, start slowly. Cloves are potent and can irritate in high amounts. And if you're taking blood-thinning medications, talk to your doctor first because cloves have natural blood-thinning properties. For most people, drinking 1 cup of clove water in the morning on an empty stomach is the perfect amount. Use about 4 to 5 cloves in a cup of warm water, let them steep for 10 minutes, and drink slowly. Listen to your body. Start small and let it guide you. So here we are. 5 powerful benefits of something so simple, so natural, that it almost feels like a secret the world forgot. Clove water can transform your digestion, strengthen your immunity, protect your oral health, balance your blood sugar, and support your liver and skin. And all it takes is a few cloves and a cup of warm water. But here's the real magic. It's a reminder. A reminder that nature has always had the answers, that healing doesn't have to be complicated or expensive, that sometimes the most powerful medicine is hiding in plain sight, in your kitchen, in your pantry, waiting for you to rediscover it. So now it's your turn. Will you try clove water tomorrow morning? Will you give your body this gift? Let me know in the comments. I want to hear your experience. And don't forget to subscribe because in the next video, we're going to talk about another powerful spice that works even better when combined with cloves. You won't want to miss it. Remember this. Sometimes, nature hides its greatest medicine in the simplest things. All you need is to listen.